Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your ALCATEL 3. So first, let's check the volume levels in the settings. So go to settings, here we will have the sound, and now we need to check the volume. So as you guys can see, my volume is okay, it's not muted, it's good. And if you want to change your volume, either change it in the settings or by holding the power up button like that. So now what you guys can do after that is clean the speaker grills with either a soft brush or compressed air. They are at the bottom right here. So as you guys can see, there is two of them and we have to clean them thoroughly. So we need to make sure that they are not damaged or they are not dirty. Now after that, make sure to disable the Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not rerouted to any other device. So let's say your headphones or whatever else that is on Bluetooth. So go over to the sound, sorry, not the sound, but to the network and connection, and here the Bluetooth. Now as you guys can see, for me it's already disabled, but here as you guys can see it is on. Now we just need to click it off or simply make sure that no device is connected to ours. So now after that, the last resort is to update our software or the factory reset. This phone is very old, so I doubt that you guys will have an update available. As you guys can see, the system updates, our system is up to date because this phone is from 2019. And now we can go over and click on reset and click on factory data reset. Now basically we'll get rid of everything as you guys can see, and that's basically the only way of trying to fix it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.